How to remove your email on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your email on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click the settings icon here in the top corner and go down. Here you will find account settings, click on it and then click personal information, and now click here contact info and click select your email, and here you will find remove. Here you can remove your email, just click on it and then just type your account password here and click remove email. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.